Hi guys, so I'm going to pick up with multiplying a binomial times a polynomial. So this will wrap up my videos on multiplying with polynomials. So looking at number 3, what we're going to do is use the distributive property. So what we need to do is multiply this x times all 3 of the terms in this trinomial, and then we need to multiply the 2 times all 3 terms in this trinomial. So let's go ahead and start with the x times the x squared. So that's going to give us x to the third. And then we're going to multiply the x times the minus 3x, which is minus 3x squared. And then we're going to multiply the x times the 4, which is plus 4x. So now we're going to switch to the 2 and multiply that times everything in a trinomial. So 2 times x squared is plus 2x squared. And then 2 times the negative 3x is minus 6x. And then 2 times 4 is positive 8. So it makes sense that we have 6 terms here, because what we're doing is we're multiplying a binomial, which has 2 terms, times a trinomial, which has 3 terms, and 2 times 3 is 6. So that makes sense that we have 6 terms here. So now what we want to do is look for our like terms. So we have a negative 3x squared here, and then we have a 2x squared here, and then we have a 4x and a minus 6x. So we're going to go ahead and finish simplifying this by combining the like terms. So that'll give us x to the third, negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is minus x squared, and then 4x minus 6x is minus 2x, and then we have the plus 8 here. So this is the simplified version of that multiplication. All right, so let's look at number 4 here. So again, we're going to multiply distributive property, 3x times minus x squared, 3x times 5x, 3x times minus 7. And then we'll go ahead and do that first. So 3x times the negative x squared is minus 3x to the third. 3x times the 5x is plus 15x squared. And then the 3x times the minus 7 is minus 21x. So now we're going to multiply the negative 2 times the minus x squared. So be careful of signs. That's going to be plus 2x squared. And then we have negative 2 times positive 5x. That's minus 10x. And then we have negative 2 times negative 7, which is plus 14. So now again, we have the 6 terms because it's a binomial times a trinomial. So we have the 6 terms. Let's look for the like terms. So we have this 15x squared and plus 2x squared. And then we have the minus 21x and the minus 10x. So when we go ahead and combine all those, we get negative 3x to the third. Then it's 15x squared plus 2x squared is 17x squared. And the negative 21x minus 10x is minus 31x. And then we have the 14 left. So this is the simplified answer for number 4. So just like I did with the binomials times binomials in that video, I'm going to show you how to do the box method with this as well. So here I'm going to put my binomial, and then here I'm going to put my trinomial. And of course we're just going to fill, notice there's 6 boxes here because we had the 6 terms. They're going to match up with these 6 terms right here. It's just going to be in the box format. So here is x times x squared, which is x to the third. And then here is 2 times x squared, which is 2x squared. And then we have here x times negative 3x, which is minus 3x squared. Here, 2 times negative 3x, which is minus 6x. Here, x times 4, which is 4x. And then here, 2 times 4 is 8. So you can see, again, all of these terms match with the terms that we have up top. So when you have it in box format, typically these will be like terms together, and these will be like terms. So when I go ahead and write it out, it's going to be the same answer. It shouldn't be different. If it's different, then there's a problem. So this would be the same answer when you go ahead and combine the like terms. All right, so let's look at the box method here. So let me just fill this in. So we have the 3x minus 2, make sure you take the sign with it, negative x squared, 5x, and minus 7. So again, these terms here should match up with those. So in this here box, 3x times negative x is minus 3x to the third. Here, negative 2 times negative x squared is positive 2x squared. Here, 3x times 5x is 15x squared. Here, negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Here, 3x times minus 7, negative 21x. And then here, negative 2 times negative 7 is positive 14. And again, you can see that all of those match up. This, let's undo that real quick. Switch to my highlighter. These are like terms. And then we have these right here that are like terms, which of course is going to give us the same answer that we have up top, which is minus 3x to the third plus 17x squared minus 31x plus 14. All right, so hopefully this helps you with multiplying all types of polynomials, and I'll see you with my next video.